Hello, everyone. We are frequently asked by new users of Microsoft Sustainability Manager why we only support English as the application language. And looking at it from their standpoint, I can't fault them for the question. Here's an environment with Sustainability Manager installed. And if I were to navigate to personalization settings and then over to languages, I can indeed only see English here as the option for user interface and help language. The gap comes from low familiarity with Power Platform. So today I'd like to show how to configure Sustainability Manager in a way to enable other user interface languages correctly. Here is a learning article on learn.microsoft.com that describes how to enable regional and language options in your Power Platform environment. I will link this in the video description. Looking at it, we can see the following note. To display the translated labels for additional languages imported into an environment from a solution, the language must be enabled in the environment before you import the solution. And there's additional information that you can browse. This is definitely an inconvenience, and I hope Power Platform improves in this area in future releases. But for now, let's just see how to get this working. Here is a fresh Dataverse environment that I created that does not have Sustainability Manager installed. In order to add additional languages, I navigate to Settings, Product, Languages. Here you can see all the 45 languages that Microsoft Sustainability Manager supports. Let's install a few of them. Let's say Danish and Ukrainian, as those are some that I can speak myself. The installation will take some time. Before it starts the installation, you can see it does a confirmation to install the two languages. Once the process completes, and this may take quite a while, up to an hour, so prepare for that. You can see that the Danish and Ukrainian are selected and the version is specified. Now you can go ahead and install Microsoft Sustainability Manager. This will take a little bit of time too, so I will again skip to when it is already finished. Okay, now that Sustainability Manager is installed, let's navigate back to the environment and check in the personalization settings, what we can see now. As this is the first time that I'm navigating to the application, I get the standard choice and I want to navigate to Sustainability Manager. You can see everything is in English right now. If I now go to personalization settings, languages, I now see Danish and Ukrainian in the list. So let's select Danish as an example. Once we click OK, the system will refresh the user interface so everything gets shown in Danish. Let's give it a couple seconds. Okay, you can see that now that it's reopened, everything is in Danish, including the navigation, the configuration guide, the headers of the forms, the views, some of the data that we ship out of the box, everything is translated, including the guided tours. If I were to start a new ingestion. I would see everything in Danish as well, including the Power Query experience that is built in. Yeah. Okay, I hope this was useful, and please reach out if there are any topics you think are not sufficiently described in our public documentation for Sustainability Manager, so we can add that in the future. Thanks.